2015 Mercedes C300 replacing this guy. This is the old one, this is the new one, redesigned one. And this is a part number. Okay, well, guess this is the bare minimum of what you have to take out. Here, alternator wires and the Mercedes special tools to hold the engine up. Here, motor mount bracket, and the fun part is it's there. Behind the motor mount. It's a real pain in the butt to get in here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Kind of, I guess. Well, somewhere there. Yeah. Well, lots of wiggling to get this in and out. Well, it's really not a pleasant experience to get this in or out. And the other part goes in here, connects over here. You can do it, but that's not fun. Only thing that I'm wondering, why this guy got the clips to hold another line, and here can't really put them on, and there is no new ones, so I don't know what I have to do, just leave them out. But that's what it looks like. Once again, the part number. Alright, well, I'm gonna get back to it.